My name's Cassidy. I'm a 42-year-old production supervisor, and being a production supervisor, I have to get up in front of the team and I have to do team meetings. I have to be in front of the managers, so I'm always kind of in the spotlight. And being in the spotlight, looking like you went a couple rounds with a professional boxer, it's not good. It's embarrassing. Makes you very nervous. Pop on Veneers. This is my second set. I've been wearing them for about 7 months now. They help with the anxiety being in front of people. They're comfortable. Every time I've dealt with customer service, they've been on point. Never had any problems. They get delivered in about 2 weeks. No problems with deliveries. The molding process, very easy. I don't know what more I can say about them. They're a lifesaver, job saver. They make you feel comfortable when you don't always look like you feel comfortable.